Drawing shapes. Let's learn how to draw shapes in Paint. Drawing a polygon. Polygon shape is used to draw a polygon or a closed figure. For drawing a polygon, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the polygon shape from the Shapes group. Step 2. Click on the Size group and select the line thickness. Step 3. Select a color from the Colors group. Step 4. In the drawing area, drag the mouse to draw a line. Release the mouse button. Step 5. Place the mouse pointer where the second line should end and again click the left mouse button. A line joins the end of the first line to the point where the mouse button is clicked. Step 6. Repeat steps 5 until the drawing is complete. Drawing a callout. Callout shape is a text box. It is used to type a comment in box. Paint provides 3 types of callout shapes, which are rounded rectangle callout, oval callout, and cloud callout. To draw a callout, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Select a callout shape from Shapes group. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse in the drawing area to draw a callout. You can also fill color in the callout by using Fill with Color tool.